morning, ready to go for my first long drive to Ahura. I am inspired by Ajit's long drive trips and his videos. It's already 6:45, so we'll go 2 hours long drive, reach there. Ahura is around 220 kilometers from here. So if we go non-stop from here, it will take around two to 2.5 hours. So we are actually planning to stop in between and see the scenery because it's a scenic road, and because of the monsoon there must be a very good, maybe waterfall, maybe greenery and all will attract us to stop in between and relax and view that thing. So let's see how it works out.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन टू एमलेस मुसाफिर अजित। हम लोग जा रहे हैं अहुरा, मी एंड अर्चना। दिस इज़ फर्स्ट लॉन्ग बाइक राइड बोल सकते हैं। वो भी चलाते हैं टू व्हीलर एंड बट मोस्टली इन सिटी लिमिट्स। सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट शी इज़ कमिंग विथ मी फॉर ए ब्रेकफास्ट राइड। तो आज इनको छुट्टी ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने में। So catch you on the way. Bye. And yes, hope you guys are all vaccinated and safe. guys, we have reached Ahura, and Archana is all excited and she is very hungry. तो कुछ order करते फिर जाके. So how was your trip, Archana?
It's awesome.
Awesome.
Very greenery and windy and little bit rain.
So this was your first what you call long bike trip.
Yes.
Yeah. So it was a memorable one.
Yes.
Yeah.